What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. And yes, I'm finally back. I've been busy with lots going on, and now in this video we will be installing wind deflectors on my BMW E90. And just to update you guys, I've done a few mods I've not made a video about, and I'll show you in this video. I'll update you guys on what I did. The car looks like a beast. Let's get started. So here is the car, guys, and due to certain circumstances I'm unable to wash my car, so please excuse the mess. So now you need this clip that they give. With the clip, you just install it here. You need a flathead screwdriver and push in. That is secured. And now we should put one more clip over here, just in that corner. That's it, clipped into place. That was secured. So guys, now it's time to test the windows if it actually shuts. You need to make sure the window shuts. So let's do it. Now on to the next one. Now we're on the passenger side door. First step, as I said before, is you remove the tape that they give you. So you just remove the tape like this. And now the other side. Same thing with the other side. There we go. Now it's time you need to insert the wind deflector into these seals, the little gap here. Now you can just bend it a little, so you can slide it in, like so. There we go. I'm going to click it into place. Now the wind deflector is into place. Now we just want to secure it with these clips that they provide. So one clip goes right here. That secures it into place. There we are. Just now the other clip. So now we're just testing this window out. Let's see if it shuts. That is the passenger side door done. Now onto the back. Now same thing, just remove the tape. So from one side. There we go. One side here. One clip done here. Now time to test the windows if the windows actually shut. And yes, success. Now we're going to do the same on the other side. So that's what wind deflectors installed on the BMW E90. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and yeah, a quick update on the mods that I've done, but I've not made a video about it, so I'll show you guys now. Now as you can see over here, we have 18-inch black alloys, and as you can see what my previous alloys look like, I'll just put a clip right now. And yeah, these make the car look much better, all blacked out, black wind deflectors, black windows, and notice how the badge is black on the alloys, and I've done the same with the actual BMW logo. So it is now black and white, as you can see. Also in the back I have tinted the tail lights to give it a more stealthy look. And yeah, I'm aware the car is dirty, so obviously, as mentioned before, I'm not able to wash it due to the situation that is going on right now. And yeah, so I mentioned I blacked out the logo and also blacked out the tail lights. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, share and subscribe. It will help my channel out a lot. And if you want to see more content on the BMW mods, subscribe. And yeah, peace.